gonna make some Dolly Parton chocolate chip cookies. It only calls for 3 ingredients: the mix, 1 large egg, and a stick of softened butter. But because I'm baking, I'm also gonna add some vanilla. Okay, move this over so you can see. And you can see the chips are in there. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I'm going to mix this first part up a little bit before I add the butter, because I did have the butter in the microwave for a little bit to help it soften up. I did have it sitting out on the counter for a while, but I put it in the microwave too. I don't want it to cook the egg. Okay. Just breaking up the butter a little bit to help it incorporate more into the cookie batter. This actually smells like coffee as I'm mixing this up, which is weird. I'm gonna have to get into the bottom of this mixer to get some of the cookie mix to incorporate into the batter. Okay, it's turning it the wrong way. The box says it will make 7 big cookies, or Buffy cookies, or 12 regular cookies. I'm going for the Buffy big cookies, and they will bake 12 to 14 minutes at 350. If you're making the regular ones, it says 11 to 13 minutes at 350. See, I got a little bit of butter that didn't incorporate. I'll be back when they're done. Double check the time, 12 to 14. Back. Cookies baked for about 15, 16 minutes. And this is how they turned out. Gonna try one. Oops. It still smells like coffee or something. I don't know. These are better than I thought they would taste. But that smell, like coffee, like smell, it's the chips, because that's what tastes like that. They're definitely semi-sweet chocolate chips. Mrs. Fields cookie dough that you can buy in a tub or in pre-cut squares. Better than Dolly. Sorry, Dolly, love you. But they're not bad. Would I buy them again? No. I'll stick with Mrs. Fields or my own. But they were very easy to make. I have her sugar cookie recipe. I'm gonna try that. It's funny. The part without the chips tastes better than the parts with the chips. Who knew? Anyway, thanks for coming along with me and trying out the Dolly Parton chocolate chip cookie mix. It's a bit of a miss, in my opinion. Glad I only paid $1 for it at Walmart. Let's hope the sugar cookies taste better. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, all the best to you and yours. Bye for now.